Meaning of feature length.
Feature length.
Feature length.
Feature length.
Feature length. Feature length refers to a film or video that has a runtime long enough to be considered a full-length feature, typically more than 60 minutes. These types of productions are usually intended for theatrical release or distribution on home video platforms. Feature-length films offer the time and space necessary for complex storytelling, character development, and thematic exploration that shorter works may not provide. The term can also apply to other creative works, such as books or musical compositions, that meet a certain length requirement to be considered complete or substantial.